Hello everyone, welcome back to another training series, and on this training we'll be learning on how to connect domain name to the sales funnel. So first of all, log into your ClickFunnel account. Then you can go on any of the funnel or just land on the dashboard. So the meaning of connecting domain name to the ClickFunnel, we want to replace this one, this subdomain, clickfunnels.com subdomain, with our name of our account we used to register inside ClickFunnels. So we want to replace this with custom domain name. Okay. So there are two options here. Okay, so you can buy domain name inside ClickFunnel or buy domain outside of the ClickFunnel and connect it to the funnel. So first step, you'll go on the profile. So hover over your profile, then click on account settings. Then from here you will land on a page like this. Scroll down to the domains. Then you click on domains. Then from here you'll see option to add a new domain. Then click add new domain. So here you'll see two options. The first one, register a new domain. You can register the new domain inside ClickFunnels, so you'll not need to do anything. Okay. So after you purchase the domain name, ClickFunnels will secure it within 3 minutes. You'll be able to use it. But when you purchase domain name outside of ClickFunnels, you need to point the DNS record of the company who provided the domain name to ClickFunnels. Let's assume we want to buy domain name inside ClickFunnels. You can say 20K. Let's assume. So you can choose a domain by clicking here. Let's choose a domain. So here you have the option to search any domain you prefer. Any domain. So it's loading. Let's wait. You'll be able to see some suggestions here. Post.com. It's still searching domain names. So if it's available, you'll be able to see even the price here and purchase the domain. So another option is buying domain outside of ClickFunnels. Okay. So there are a lot of domain name provider, but for me I use Namecheap. You can use Namecheap as well. So you can search for the Namecheap and sign up and log in. So once you log in here, you buy domain. After you buy domain, so you can go here. You can domain name search. You can search for the new domains. Okay. So after you buy the domain name, you'll be able to see your list here. If you don't see the list on the dashboard, you can click domain list. So the domain name we'll be working on is this one. We want to point this domain to our ClickFunnels account. Okay, so first we'll go on here on manage. So you'll click manage. After you click manage, you'll be able to see the domain here. Okay, domain, product, sharing and transfer, and advanced DNS. So you'll click DNS. Okay, you click DNS. After you click DNS of that particular domain, you just need to do two things. Okay, just two things. Okay, if you have any existing records, you need to delete all the records here. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll add a new record and choose the CNAME record. then add www, this is the W, then this one will be, yes, targets.clickfunnels.com. Then click here. You see this one, save changes. Then you click here to save the changes. I already have the record here. I don't want to add another record. Another record will be, you click on here and you click URL redirect. This one, URL redirect and host at, then at your domain name. So in case someone type HTTP, where do you want this person to be redirected? It will be redirected to the www. Okay, so make sure you type HTTPS, then your domain name, whatever domain name. So for us, we're using the 20K month blueprint. Then we'll go with this one. So make sure you type https:/www. then your domain name. Okay. So under the unmasked, you click on this triangle and choose the permanent redirect. Okay. So once you're done, you click save. See this? You click save here. You click this icon. Okay. So once you're done, that's it. You go back to your ClickFunnel. You go back to your ClickFunnel, then you go to the account settings. Let's go here. You go on account settings, then on domains. Let's go on domains here. Then from here, you add new domain. After you add a new domain, you say, I want to use an existing domain. So you click on existing domain, then it shows www. Make sure you start to type www, then your domain. So www.domain. So this domain is registered on Cloudflare. It was not registered from Cloudflare, so we will not check this. Then after you type, you click add domain. After you click add domain, okay, and it will ask you how to connect the domain name. In order for this, have you added the CNAME record and this? Yes, we have added. Then you click I've done this step. Okay, so ClickFunnel will take maximum 5 minutes. Okay, it will take some time, about 10 minutes or half an hour to give you the notification. You'll be able to see it here. ClickFunnel, your domain name is now ready to use. So if you want to see all of the domains, all of the domain name need to be used, you click on domains section. Then from here, you'll be able to see all the domain names here. It will show you the status, if it's secured or securing. Okay. Okay, so this is how to connect the domain name using the Namecheap. You can search for more domains. After you have it, it will show up all the options here, and you'll be able to make a purchase. So you'll be able to see all the domains here. If the domain name is available, you'll be able to see it here. So after you add the domain and the domain name is secured, you need to go to the settings. So make sure you choose the domain name you want to replace the ugly ClickFunnel domain to your custom domain. You click on the settings, then you see domain option, then you click on this triangle, then you can choose the domain. So I want to connect this one. And you need to scroll down and click save and update the settings. Okay, so you go on steps, back on steps. So on here on steps, you can see we have replaced the ugly ClickFunnel URL to the custom domain. So here the new domain name. Okay, you can see the domain name, and now the funnel looks very fine and very good. So this is how to connect the custom domain name. Okay, so if you have any question, send us an email and we'll be happy to answer all of your questions. So another thing, someone asked, what if I want to delete any of these funnel steps? If you want to delete any of these funnel steps, you see this this mark. So when you click on this X, you'll be able to delete this this page. Okay, so thank you so much for your time. See you in the other tutorials. Bye.